Hi number block fans! Today we're going to explore the number blocks from 1 to 20, but this time we explore the even club. So what is even? Even is the numbers which can divide it by 2 and can make 2 blocks wide, and also can split into 2s, and the 2s are equally, like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Or we can say 2 times table. But there's an exception from the evens. It's the number block 0. 0 is not actually, it's not the even number, because 0 has no blocks. So we don't know how many blocks wide that 0 make. So which means 0 is the neutral number. So which means I have to go to number block 2. Number block 2 has 2 orange blocks. And 2 is the first member of an even club. Alright, we need 2 orange blocks. 1, 2. Oh yes, 2 is an even number. This is because 2 can make 2 blocks wide, and there's no odd block at the top. See, there's a flat at the top. So which means 2 is the even number, first member of the even club. So here's our finish, number block 2. Alright, for the next character that we're going to build today is number block 4. So 4 has 4 green blocks. Well, 4 I built 2 blocks wide because you have to know that is the number block 4 is the even club. That's it, 4 is the number of the even club, because 4 can split into 2 twos, and there's no odd block at the top, which means there's only the flat at the top. So which means I assume that 4 is the second member of the even club. So we need 4 green faceplates, 1 for his eye and eyebrows and his mouth, and then 1 left over for his cheek. And number block 4 has a pet named Squarey, and 4 loves squares, but 4 scares the round things. Alright, here's our finish 4. So for the next character that we're going to build today is 6. 6 has 6 indigo blocks. So we build 6 into 2 blocks wide, so we got 2 by 3 rectangle formation, or we can call 3 rows of 2 blocks. So 6 has a flat at the top, so which means 6 is the third member of the even club. Well, the even club, you can say 2 times table. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and 6 is the third member of the even club. We got 6 old faceplate because she has so many dots on her body. Well, alright, almost there. And ta-da! Number block 6. Here's our number block 6. Oh my gosh, the sticker for her body is so ugly. Yeah, it's going to peel. I think I should buy the new sticker. Well, anyways, here's our finish, number block 6. For the next character that we're going to build today is 8. 8 has 8 pink blocks. We build 8 into 2 by 4 rectangle formation, or we can also set 4 rows of 2 blocks. So we build 8 like this to know that 8 is the number block 8, even or odd. You see 8, he has a flat on top, which means 8 is the fourth member of the even club. 2 lots of 4s are 8, and 8 can split into 4 lots of 2s. We need 4 pink faceplate for his eyes and the mouth and the cheek too. There, number block 8, and don't forget his number link. There, number 8. So for the 5th character that of the even club that we're going to build today is 10. After I see the number block 10, I want to buy the heroes with 0, but don't worry, I will surprise this set for you. Don't worry, I'll buy it for you. Just wait. Just wait. So you will see that I will play Heroes with Zeros set. Alright. Anyways, 10 is the 5th member of the Even Club. She is made out of 5 lots of 2s. She splits 2 into 5 2s. So equally, which means 10 is the 5th member of the Even Club. Because she has a flat at the top. And don't forget the numbering for the number block 10. So here's our finish. Number 10. Blast up. Alright, so the next character that we're going to build today is 12. 12 has 10 white blocks and 2 orange blocks. And 12 is also the even number because 12 is made out of 6 lots of 2s. And also she could divide it by 2. So which means she is the even number, 6th member of the Even Club. And also 12 has a flat at the top, on the top. So here is the faceplate I use for her tall formation. And then we attach the numbering. Here's our number block 12. Okay, so the 7th member of the Even Club is 14. So 14 has 10 white blocks and 4 green blocks. And also 14 is an even number because 14 could split into 7 lots of 2s. And also he has a flat at the top. So 14 is the 7th member of the Even Club. There, you build like this. And then we attach his faceplates. He has rainbow eyebrows. That's because his one eyebrow has 7 colors. So 2 lots of 7s are 14. So 2 rainbows are 14. Okay. This is his face. And then we attach a helmet. Oh my god, that helmet isn't stuck like others. There, a skateboard. Oh, so cute. I love that accessory. So here's our finish. 14. Extreme. Alright, for the next character that we're going to build today is 16. 16 has 10 white blocks and 6 indigo blocks. And also 16 is the square because she's made out of 4 4s and a 4 and 4x4 square. She's the 4th member of the Square Club. And also 16 is an even number. That's because 16 can split into 2 lots of 8s or 8 lots of 2s. And she has a flat at the top. No odd blocks at the top anymore. So we build like this. I used her tall formation for her faceplate. And there's our number block 16. The 9th character that we're going to build today is 18. So 18 has 10 white blocks and 8 pink blocks. Right. And 18 is made out of 2 lots of 9s. All 9 lots of 2s. And that's also 18 is an even number because he can split into 2 lots of 9s or 9 lots of 2s. And also if I build into 2 blocks wide, you see number block 18 has a flat at the top like this. I build like that because I want to make it more durable. If I have the dual connectors, I will build like this. And we need 1 pink faceplate for his tall formation. And then we need 1 numbering. Yeah. Number block 18. I put the numbering like that to make it more durable. For the last character that we're going to build today is 20. 20 has 20 peach blocks and he can split into 2 lots of 10s or 10 lots of 2s. We can call 2 10s tango. And also 20, oh, it's so tired. Also 20 has 2 blocks wide and 10 blocks tall, and he has a flat at the top, which means 20 is the 10th member of the Even Club. 2 10s are 20. Yay! Almost there. 18, 19, 20. I see. I want to use the heroes with zero set. But don't worry, I'll buy it for you. Well, 20 has a face similar like Numberblock 2. This is because 20 split into 2 lots of 10s or 10 lots of 2s. Oh my gosh, my sticker. Oh, it ruined. Because it's getting older and older. But that's okay. Oh, every YouTuber which has the Numberblock toys always get older. Anyways, we need one accessory is the top hat. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh yeah. And then for the numbering 20. Oops. I made it wrong. And then I attach it like this. This one is better. So here's our last character, 20. Alright, let's review all together. So we got 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 18. 8 2s, so sorry. No, 7 2s are 14. Sorry about my apologize. Sorry. And 8 2s are 16. So sorry. And 9 2s are 18. And oopsie. Sorry. Yes, 9 2s are 18. And 10 2s are 20. So here are all the characters. The characters that we built are finished. And which character do you like the most? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, or 20? Please leave the comments. So thank you everyone for watching. So if you guys want to see my new videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you next time. Bye bye.